Well, so I'm excited to be here with you today to share with you one of my favorite things for using apples. It's apple season, there's apples to pick, and it's also kind of cold and flu season. So I have a twofer for you. Use up these amazing apples that are fresh and right off the tree, and also use one of my favorite oil blends, On Guard, which has a combination of different oils that are wonderful for boosting the immune system. And this time of year, we are bombarded with viruses and all kinds of bugs out there, whether it's at school or in local events, that kind of thing. It's just that time of year. So using On Guard can help us fend those things off, but it also tastes delicious. So one of our favorite tricks with apples is to take the slices, simple. You can cut up an apple with one of these lovely knives, or you can of course use one of your slicers. That's what I use most often, but for demonstration purposes, we're using the knife. So I have a bowl of water here, and I'm just gonna put these pieces of apple in, and I'm gonna add a couple of drops of the On Guard, and then just stir it up. There was 3 in there, so that's perfect. And you really could probably fit 2 or 3 apples in one dish at a time. Swirl it around, let it sit for a few minutes, then drain off the water and enjoy your apples. And it's lovely how the On Guard just mixes in, and it smells like On Guard, and it tastes a little bit like On Guard. It's almost like an apple pie. So I hope that you try this at home and enjoy. It's a great snack to send off with your kids at school or just after school. We love it, my kids love it. Super fun and super easy.